Reading Pioneers is proud to present Ride, Fly Guy, Ride by Ted Arnold. A boy had a pet fly. He named him Fly Guy. And Fly Guy could say the boy's name. Buzz. Chapter 1. One day, Dad said, "Who wants to go for a ride?" "We do," said Buzz and Fly Guy. "Everyone, buckle up," Dad said. Then they hit the road with the windows down. Buzz stuck his hand out the window and pretended it was an airplane. Suddenly, wind blew in the car and carried Fly Guy out of the window and into a passing truck. Chapter 2. "Follow that truck!" cried Buzz. Gluck. Meanwhile, in the truck, Fly Guy tumbled into the truck driver's mouth. Patooey! The truck driver spit Fly Guy out the window and into a passing motorboat. "Follow that boat!" cried Buzz. Meanwhile, on the boat, Fly Guy saw a man put a bug on a big hook. Fly Guy jumped overboard and onto a passing circus train. "Follow that train!" cried Buzz. Meanwhile, on the train, Fly Guy surprised a sleepy elephant. The elephant blew him off the train and onto an airplane. "Follow that airplane!" cried Buzz. Meanwhile, on the airplane, the pilot saw Fly Guy and turned on the wipers. Follow Fly Guy!" cried Buzz. Just then, a rocket roared up from the ground. Chapter 3. "Follow that rocket!" cried Buzz. Buzz and Dad landed. The rocket raced into space. "Will Fly Guy survive?" asked Buzz. "Yes." "Fly Guy, you're here!" cried Buzz. "The rocket didn't take you to space." Dad said, "Let's ride home." And Fly Guy said, "More rides." Thank you everyone for reading along with us to the story of Ride, Fly Guy, Ride. What did you guys think? What are some other things that Fly Guy could ride that wasn't already in the book? Comment below your thoughts and ideas about the story in the comment section below. If you liked the video, don't forget to also click the thumbs up button and subscribe to this YouTube channel to see more Fly Guy videos in the future. If you're interested in some extra materials to help with the Fly Guy story, click in the description box the link to our library, where you can download a file that has questions about what Fly Guy did in the story. Our library is always expanding. So, until the next upload, here are a couple of stories that you may be interested in. Well, that's it for now. So, until next time, I hope you guys have an amazing day. Bye-bye.